Everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're installing
This shit was so easy.
What the fuck? You gonna rip it off?
Yeah.
Anyways, we're installing the Idoing head unit onto the BRZ FRS 86, whatever the fuck this is. But yeah, we're gonna remove this stock head unit there. It's kind of ugly, no touchscreen, nothing. It has all the features you could desire, but this has this one has more. As you can see here, it's just a big screen, basically a little iPad here. So we're gonna slide this in. We really don't know what we're doing, but we're gonna figure out what if we just figure it out. That's what we did with my car. So just start pulling shit out and then putting shit in.
Should be easier because I saw a video. It's just these 4 screws, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, or no, 6. There's 4 Phillips head and then 2 10 mil. You just fucking pull this shit out, unplug. You plug that one in, and then you're set. But I need to buy this. This is gonna be exposed for a little bit.
Really?
Yeah,
oh, you buy a new one?
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, Justin's selling his car. If you guys want to buy Justin's car, 8,000 lowest, 9,000 OBO.
Oh, yeah.
Should be very, very easy peasy squeezy.
This is easy.
Are you mimicking the rumble?
That's my idol son. FRS rumble. Is your battery off? No. Good luck.
You don't need to take out your battery. I mean, Justin and I didn't.
Dude.
What's the jam? It's hot?
Yes.
It's hot?
Yes, it's hot. You gotta put it up.
Fuck! Put the shit in.
Fuck, that's hot. Now. Yeah, I'm a car guy. I got tools.
Yeah. Oh! He said, yeah, I'm a car guy.
Horsepower is it? Yeah. How much horsepower is your
400.
Oh, nice. My new head unit. Silent Pioneer. Oh, it smells good.
Who done it?
See, look, it doesn't go all the way. So US spec, I need to get a new a panel for this.
It's alright. If me and Justin can figure this out, you and Jan figure it out.
You know those wires, right? You connect them and then they work.
For the off on the TV.
HDMI?
Oh, that's HDMI.
Yo, we could play fucking games on your car.
Oh yeah, we can.
You got games on your car?
Brawl Stars.
Brawl Stars. You got games on your phone? No, you got games on
in
your
my
car, bro. My God, it's so hot outside. I'm gonna bring an umbrella. Ooh, let's go. Alright guys, so right now they're just trying to wire up the head unit right now. Literally what me and Justin did back there is all we literally did is just plugging shit in and plug and play. And then eventually it just started working. Alright y'all, let's see a moment of truth. What the fuck?
Is this supposed to turn? Oh! That's fucking. Why is everything on?
Is everything turned on?
It works?
Ooh, Toyota.
Go ahead, oh, nice.
That's fucking.
Or was that shit so
bro.
fast?
I don't know.
Jaydon just took forever.
What do you mean?
Where's the?
Took like another hour.
Shut up.
Bottom 2 and you're good to go.
Hello everybody, forgot to end the video, but in the end, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Head units, really necessity in my opinion. Make the car look really clean, you know, just a lot more features to your car. Just a little something you can add to your car if you have a little extra money right there. Just make the car feel a little bit nicer inside. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for all the support recently, and goodbye.